Hi guys, welcome back to the dollar yen analysis by IFX guys. Yesterday we were selling this, but we said if we broke above this, we would start buying and we hit our bullish target, guys. So for today, what's going to happen? So guys, for today, as long as we are above 148.4, I keep on buying this, guys. And we are already at a first target, and my second target would be 149.5, guys. Anyways, guys, it's Friday. I would like to keep it short. And if we break below this, guys, we will be testing the previous breakout area, which is at 147.9. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way. Take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.